Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mighty Automation. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to download a program to an S7-1200 PLC. Whether you're new to PLC programming or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what an S7-1200 PLC is. The S7-1200 is a popular programmable logic controller used in industrial automation. It's essential for controlling various processes in manufacturing, and today, we'll learn how to download a program onto it. But first, here are the prerequisites for this tutorial. You'll need an S7-1200 PLC, a computer with Siemens TIA Portal software installed, and an Ethernet communication cable. Let's get started with the steps to download a program to your S7-1200 PLC. Step 1. Connect your PLC. Step 2. Open Siemens TIA Portal. Step 3. Create or open your project. Step 4. Configure communication. Step 5. Download the program. Launch Siemens TIA Portal on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from Siemens website. In TIA Portal, create a new project or open an existing one that contains the program you want to download. Now, configure the communication settings. Go to Devices and Networks and add your PLC to the project. Ensure that the settings match your PLC's IP address or connection type. Navigate to your program in the project tree and right-click on it. Choose Download to Device or a similar option. Follow the on-screen instructions, and TIA Portal will download the program to your PLC. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your program to the S7-1200 PLC. Make sure to save your project for future reference. That wraps up our tutorial on how to download a program to an S7-1200 PLC using Siemens TIA Portal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PLC programming tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.